Hello walkers, and welcome back to Montana. It is another beautiful fall day here. I'm going to flip you around so you can see me. My name is Henry. I'll be your proxy walker today, your virtual travel guide. Sorry about that, virtual travel guide. Co-discoverer, as I like to say. Today is actually going to be a bit of a nature walk. So I'm probably not going to say too much. We'll see if I can do that. That's always a challenge for me. I'm going to flip you back around here. I want to thank our Patreon supporters today. I've been forgetting to do that at the beginning of these videos, but I really do appreciate it. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the monetary support and the emotional or spiritual support, whatever you want to say. So thank you. Look at what a beautiful place this is. We're going to walk down along the Meyers River View trail today. But we're starting off on the old Swingley Road, old Meyers River Road. I forget where it is. It sort of changes in here somewhere. But we're starting up on the bench here. That's I-90. We're looking down at the Yellowstone River Pass canyon down there. That hill is referred to as the Wine Glass. I'll get into that in a minute. But we're just going to take a nice amble through some cottonwood trees and just have a beautiful Sunday autumn day. I'm going to talk a little bit and then I will try to be quiet. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, it's 52 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 degrees Celsius, about 10 of 11 a.m. in the morning here in, I guess we're still mid-October. We're going to walk down here, the Wine Glass, that hill over there. And it's referred to the Wine Glass. I never really knew that. I thought it had something to do with the shape of the canyon, but back in the teens, 20s, 30s, somewhere in there, there was a guy that was up there, and I think the landowner, he was cutting firewood, and he sort of did it randomly and ended up a bare patch in the shape of a wine glass. And I've seen a photo of that. This is the Yellowstone River. Across the way is Moja Park, or Mayor's Landing is what it's referred to. You can see a boat ramp over there. We'll see a little better here in a second. And then there's Livingston. Across the way, you might be able to see on that hill some towers, and off to the left a P on the hillside. There's a sort of barely make out a fish there. We're going to go down here and walk along the river. Check out citywalksvirtualtours.com if you want to find other walks by location and run time. And also, I like to talk about how I love interacting with you guys in the YouTube comments. So you can go there and make comments. You can go to the website and find various walks from all around the world and make requests and that sort of thing. So here we go. There's some clicking here. Oh, sorry about that. I had to unplug some headphones. I want to make sure that my audio's okay. It's cut out on me a couple times. The last walk being a prime example. Got a car coming up from behind. This is a popular place to walk dogs. Old ranch truck. Oh, magpie. Somebody out camping. In Montana, I've mentioned this before, we have a stream access law, which guarantees the right to recreate below the high water mark in any navigable stream. Beautiful fall colors here. So Mayor's Landing Ramoja Dog Park is an off-leash dog park, if you're in the area. Somebody over there fishing. This path is a leash required, and it has to do with, I think, the adjacent landowner running cows. Pardon me. Hi there. In fact, I think this might be private land, but I'm not sure about that. And I think it might be a condition of the lease or something, but I'm not. It might be city land, I'm not sure. Geese. Love these colors. Hi there.
Hello.
Hey, Pop.
Come on, it's okay.
Hi. Take you over by the little side channel here. We are so lucky to have this and other beautiful natural spaces right next to town. Hi there. Hey, Pops.
Walking calmly.
Good morning.
We're not Straight ahead, you can see the Crazy Mountain Range, which is kind of this isolated mountain range. I was going to say at the beginning that I forgot, was that we're here at Livingston. We're kind of at the edge of the mountains and the high plains. And most people think of Montana, they think of mountains. But it's really only about a quarter or a third of the state, and the rest is it's not flat, but it's not mountainous either. There are pockets of mountains here and there, but it's really sagebrush steppe and grassland. And it's beautiful in its own way. Oh, look at this little guy.
spin you around. You can see over here is the Absarica range. I showed you those at the beginning. But that tall one in the middle is Livingston Peak. And off to the right, covered in snow, is a face. Well, it looks like a face facing up towards the sky, referred to as Sleeping Giant. And there is a Sleeping Giant middle school here. Irrigation canal. And the outflow, and sort of coming off of a diversion that we looked at earlier. There's a saying in the West, I don't know if it's still true, but whiskey's for drinking and water's for fighting. Water rights are really important out here. See the KPRK bridge over there, Highway 89. Look at those trees. Oh my gosh. Look how brilliant they are. I wish I had a polarizer for this camera. Hi there.
Hello.
Really capture those colors. But I'm using an iPhone and a gimbal, and the gimbals have not been made to accommodate the cases that a lot of the filters use. If you have another solution for me, I'd be interested in hearing that in the comments. Love these grasses and these trees. That bluff between the trees up ahead is referred to as Sheep Mountain. It overlooks the Yellowstone. All right, another short one today as we approach the parking lot. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. We will be back again soon with other videos from Montana and eventually beyond. Thanks again. We'll see you again soon. Until then, keep on stepping.
train. It's a train town. The coal train is parked, waiting to go through the yard.